This is really good.
So
it's really sweet.
Here's the coffee.
Yeah, look at coffee. So we're at the coffee plantation La Nubia, and we saw all these crazy incredible plants. Like here we had cotton. You see this? Like it's actual cotton, like from a plant. And then also in Colombia, those of you who know, plantain is really big. So this is the plantain plant, this right here. And over there we have the banana plant. I don't know if you can see the difference, but they're way smaller and the banana plant is big. Also, they bag the bananas like this for them to look pretty, because they're gonna sell them. And consumers don't really like to buy ugly bananas. Like if you go to the store, you don't buy the brown bananas. And here they have without bags, and the guy told us, I don't know if you can see them, but they're supposed to be there. The guy told us that they're better because more sun will get to it, but people won't buy it because it doesn't look good. And then over here we have kiri, this plant right here, and this is an amazing plant. It's from Japan and it grows 2 centimeters a day. This plant right here is 6 months. It produces so much more oxygen than other plants, and it can literally save the world. In China they have made a lot of research that's shown like medical benefits and all of that, so it's an amazing plant. They're still trying to figure out how to use it here in Colombia. But yeah, it started in Japan and then it went to China and now it's here in Colombia.
Just sit there watching me, lying alone, trying hard not to sleep. Your shadows like to watch me dream and mess with me and our memories.
Okay, so we just learned about like a little bit about the coffee plantation here. Usually everything that you see here in the fincas are exported, so they don't drink like this coffee because it's so good and so high quality, because of the height and because it's right on the equator. It has the same weather all year round, which makes it easier to grow coffee here, and which is why the Colombian coffee is this good. What the guy told us was that they have to plant the seeds in sand, not soil, because when it's in soil it will, like, the roots will bend, but when it's in sand, I'm trying to like translate it in my head, when it's in sand it will go straight and it will get more nourishment. And also a coffee plant can last up to 50 years if you treat it right, which means that every 6 years you cut it in half, you take away all the leaves that does not have coffee, because once it's grown coffee on a place, it won't grow back there. So you have to treat it carefully, you have to know what you're doing, and it can last even up to 50 years. So this is where they burnt the coffee. If you see over there, that's the old silos, which was like 70 degrees Celsius inside, and they had to work manually. So a man would go in there and work with it and like move it around in 70 degrees. Like, I find that so inhumane, like it's insane. And this is now the new one and the automatic one, which you don't have to go into. Oh! Okay. Look at this. Do you see that? The avocado? So basically they have so good quality of avocado here, which makes it really hard to control the stealing of it, because workers will come here because they don't make that much money. Look at this. So workers will come and steal when they can, because they're here all week. So they take like 300, maybe 300 a day or something, and sell 1 kilo for like 4,000 pesos for extra money. So these avocados that they sell here in Colombia, I'm gonna show you one. So if you see this one right here, because the shell is so thin, like literally it's so bendable, like it has no protection, you can't export avocado. It's gonna get ruined.
Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hey, mi gente. We're on our way to Cocora Valley, which is home to the biggest palm trees. You can see them here, like they're pretty crazy.
This looks like Jurassic Park, all the way up there.
It does. And also they're used for their palm oil, and that's why they're almost extinct.
Okay.
So now you know that.
Yeah, so how high is the palm tree here? Like
I think it's like, I read it was about 60 meters.
Yeah, I don't know how many feet is that, but 60
We're
meters.
gonna find that out.
We're gonna put that up there, so
yeah, 60 meters. It's pretty tall.
this is crazy actually. Oh my god.
They're actually touching the sky. This is gonna be fun. And also, there's two options of going up here. You can take the 20-minute road up, or you can take the like 3-4 hours long walk, which is totally up to you. And yeah, we're gonna take the short one. So we just arrived. I think it's Parque de los Bosque de las Palmas, which is basically the forest of palms.
So yeah, we did it again. Like Gabby, look, we're not prepared at all.
Like, why can't I be more prepared? Everybody's like in full hiking gear. Like, I'm not even joking.
Just me and you.
And Iselin.
Yeah, and Iselin as well.
Like, we look like we're going to a party. And people are like in full hiking gear.
They're like, what the hell are they
They're
doing?
like, so
They're
yeah.
doing everything for Instagram, right?
Everything
Perfect
for
shot.
the gram. Cue the shots. Thank you.
Okay.
You're the one that's gonna edit that, so
No,
thank
I'm
you.
not doing that.
So yeah. You owe me.
Just walk on this rock.
And it took more than 20 minutes, just like a heads up.
So about 40 minutes.
Yes, and that's just the way up. So now we're on our way down.
Hi guys!
It's Gabby.
And Sato.
And we first have to apologize for the delay of the video. We were busy.
Yeah, we were busy with
Video.
yeah, we were busy with exam and work and stuff, so yeah, shit happens.
This time we were in Eje Cafetero and we learned how to make coffee.
Woo! It was good.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good. If you guys like the videos, remember to like and subscribe.
And also please comment and put the notification bell on.
Yeah.
But that was it for today, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
So I smoke green big ball. You got another back on the door and lay sure. Won't take ball. This here is when the take off. Trick, take a flick and a click. Here to face y'all.